In this video I am going to review the Samsung Galaxy J Next smartphone and tell you my views on the Samsung Galaxy J Next. Is it the best phone or the worst? Watch the entire video to note all the points and pros and cons. Hit the red subscribe button now and like the video. With that being said, let's get started. Samsung is one of the biggest smartphone manufacturers and it comes with new designs and technologies almost every year. We have seen how beautiful Samsung Galaxy S9, S8 and Note 8 are, but what I observed is Samsung does make awesome budget smartphones, let's say from 10,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees. For example, Samsung Galaxy J7 was a good phone and still I am using the same model and didn't face any huge problems. It has a good camera, performance is good and all total it is still a good phone. Now recently Samsung launched the J7 Next smartphone. Wait a minute, after J7 came the J7 Prime, which was average but had more features than the J7. But why J7 Next? The smartphone is inside the box, obviously. On the box, the Samsung Galaxy J7 is embossed and all of the details are printed that I will explain you later on this video. Note that this is the Indian model, so only Indian SIMs are supported. Let's keep the smartphone at aside now. Inside the box there is the same Samsung headphone which you will get with other Samsung smartphones, and so is the charger and a quick manual guide. Nothing new. This is the normal charging adapter and with that you will get a charging cable which is also known as data cable. I don't understand the logic behind this. Why with a black variant does Samsung provide a white charging adapter, cable and earphone? Anyways, keeping this aside, let's review the phone for which you guys are waiting for. Looking at the design of the phone, I can only say that it is an exact copy or replica of Samsung Galaxy J7. Yes, trust me, it is. Same screen size, same screen type and features, even the battery. If you want a video on J7 and J7 Next comparison, please let me know in the comment section. I am definitely going to make that as soon as possible. Samsung Galaxy J7 is available in two variants, which are 2GB of RAM and 3GB of RAM, and also 16GB and 32GB internal memory. You can expand the memory up to 256GB using a microSD card, and it also supports OTG. Under the hood there are two SIM slots, one dedicated microSD slot and the battery itself. This 3000 mAh battery is huge and a little heavy. The J7 Next is powered by 1.6 GHz octa-core processor and it has 2GB RAM. The back cover is super thin and its paper thin design makes the phone look slim. It is plastic and flexible. The rear camera which is in the center, the flash and the speaker are on the both sides. The fingerprint scanner is missing, which is a great downside, although the build quality is good and sturdy. Going to the front, it has 5.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1280 pixels. In this price range, it's a great display. On top, there are front flash and front camera. The proximity sensor is cleverly hidden, the front speaker is in the middle, and the notification LED is missing. Again a major minus point. What the hell Samsung was thinking? Coming to the keypads, both the side keys are touch and only the home button is a physical button. I really wanted a fingerprint scanner on that key, but unfortunately it's not there. Again a big question mark. The weight of the phone is not too heavy nor too light. It weighs 180 grams and can be operated with one hand. Comfortable to hold and use. The corners are round and the sleek design looks good. The back cover is designed in a way that it prevents slipping of the phone from your hand. After switching on the phone, you will see the Samsung TouchWiz theme. You will get the latest version which is 6.1.82.57. The current Android version is 7, which is Nougat. I am hoping for an Android Audio update, but I don't think that I will get that sooner or later. Now if I write all the negative points together, the Samsung Galaxy J Next is nothing but a complete copy of J7 which was released back in 2015. At that time these features were great, but now we need more. There are also pre-installed apps like Samsung Mall and Samsung Pay. I always appreciate Samsung screen quality and the colors it produces. Watching HD movies and playing HD games are awesome. No issues with the screen. The transitions are quick and smooth. Playing games and watching movies are also fun. The notification bar and all the quick setting icons are small and well organized. The icons are well designed. Moreover, the swiping of features to open the app screen is cool. From now at least I don't have to tap on the apps button to open the app screen. The icons in the settings are also same as other Samsung smartphones running on Android Nougat. Nothing new here. Guys, what I am saying is my personal opinion, what I liked and didn't like. If you have any suggestions or already bought this phone and facing some problems, feel free to comment below and I will definitely help you. The gaming experience on Samsung J7 Next is not too good, not too bad. High-end games like PUBG Android and Need for Speed No Limits run smooth without lag and glitches. Samsung phones have a history of lagging and hitting. Fortunately, this phone lags less and hitting is not too frequent unless you are playing a super high-end games for a long time. I faced a little hitting while playing PUBG Mobile for an hour. The battery is average. I can play games continuously up to 4 hours. Though it doesn't support quick charging or fast charging, surprisingly the charging time is fast. The front camera has 5 megapixel sensor and an f2.2 aperture. The selfie shooter has a ton of filters and a skin tone adjusting tool, which is good. It makes my face like a wax doll. You can add these directly while clicking photos and selfies. No need to edit the photos later on. Another major feature added is that you can add overlay animations, stickers and texts that you have seen in Snapchat and Instagram, and obviously in iPhone. It's a new trend. You can also use the front flash during the night and in dark areas. You can also shoot full HD videos, and here are some example clips and photos. The skin tone, the color and the exposure are not 100% accurate if you use the front camera. Although I must say that the front camera performs well during daytime and produces bright photos with natural skin tone and color. On the back you have 13MP f1.9 Full HD shooter. The videos are bright in color, saturated and are not at all overexposed. In terms of camera, Samsung did a pretty good job. At this price it's good. The videos are Full HD with 1920 by 1080 resolution, and you can change that if you want. Just look at these videos and photos taken by Samsung Galaxy J7 Next, and these are truly amazing. Other than that, you will also get other video and photo options like HDR and Pro mode. You can also add a ton of filters directly to your video and photo. You will also find a quick Samsung Mall icon on the left. Look, buying this smartphone is your part and that's totally up to you. But when it comes to suggesting a good smartphone with a lot of features, this phone is not the right one for you. Now there are two types of people. One who is into new features, while other who want to play games, shoot videos and call their parents and loved ones. If you are the first person, then you should avoid this phone. Or if you are the second person, then you should buy it. Trust me, you will not get a fingerprint scanner or a Gorilla Glass. But to call and play some average games, Samsung Galaxy J7 Next will be a good phone for you. I would suggest you Samsung Galaxy J7, but it's old now and runs on Marshmallow. So J7 Next will be a good phone for you. The question people ask me that will I use this phone as my primary device? My answer is no. I am going to use it as my second device. It is simple. Nowadays, security is the main priority. iPhone have face scanner and phones under and above 10,000 have a fingerprint scanner, but J7 Next have none. That was my review, guys. Here are the pros and cons on the screen. These will help you. If you enjoyed watching this video, then give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel now for more interesting videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. I am Bro Smart and I'm signing out.